Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way that you can organize these tall hand tools into a smaller area that's not going to be in the way. So let's dive in. So guys, with this super easy project, all you're going to need to do is go ahead and move your tools out of the way for right now. Just grab these tools. You can set them out in another area for now and grab you a couple of these cinder blocks. These things are pretty cheap. You can get them at Lowe's and Home Depot, and you can stack them on top of each other. You can do 2 or even 3 high, kind of depending on how tall of an area that you have. So kind of depends on how tall your ceilings are. Then you can placing your items into the cinder block, super easy like this. All you're gonna have to do is just make sure that the sticks go all the way down. And like I mentioned, if you have a low roof, you can actually just use the shorter items, and if you have a taller roof, or if you want it to be kind of that hides all the items, you can go as tall as you'd like. So really just depends on what you might be looking for. All right, so now your tools are all organized right here. You can easily get to them, and they're not going to be taking up as much space on the ground. You can walk through, whether it's a hallway, whether it's in your garage or your shop, or whatever it might be. This is super easy to use. Also, super cheap. These are only a few dollars each, and so you can get 3 of these. Or if it's too high, you can also just get 2 of them, so you don't have to lift it as high to get it out. So it's super easy. Again, everything fits nice and neat in there. You can even make another one if you need to and put more tools in there. So it works really well. I think this is a great idea. Highly recommend it. If this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out another video right here, and I'll see you over there.